Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a luxury high-end brand on Shopify. We'll jump right into it, and we all want to build luxury brands because there are incredible profit margins. We're going to be able to make a lot of money if you follow the strategy that I'm going to show you here today, and I'm going to show you how to do it the exact right way. And when it comes to luxury brands, it basically gives you the extra benefit, the privilege to sell products at a premium price. A luxury brand t-shirt is going to sell more than a whatever brand t-shirt or your own brand, right? Luxury brands get higher prices. Doesn't matter if it's a t-shirt or a hoodie or a dress or a pair of shoes or whatever it is. You're going to command higher prices, and that means higher profit margins. But really, on top of that, high-end designer fashion products from top brands, they sell like crazy. It's super easy to sell them in your Shopify store. And a really popular strategy is to integrate the luxury distribution Shopify app. This basically turns your Shopify store into a high-end designer fashion brand store. You'll be able to easily import amazing high-end products from the top brands in literally just a couple of clicks. They have a really easy-to-use app, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. If you want to build a luxury brand, you're definitely going to run into some pain points. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the luxury distribution app, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get started. I literally show you over the shoulder. You'll be able to get your entire setup in just a few minutes. No prior technological skills, no tech expertise, no coding, no programmers required. It's super, super easy. But most importantly, of course, the app needs to have thousands of curated, in-season, hot-selling designer fashion items. And if you want to do it the right way, if you want to have access to these thousands of hot products and have a super easy-to-use Shopify app, then you need to use luxury distribution. This is what I highly recommend. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you more. This is luxurydistribution.com, and it's literally a luxury brand's digital warehouse. You'll be able to grow with the world's leading luxury brands, and it's a fully drop-ship setup. Super, super powerful. You see some of the massive, massive brands here, luxury premium brands that command high prices, give you high profit margins. These are some of the actual products that have been recently ordered through luxury distribution. Massive names over here, the biggest brands in luxury fashion, and it's super, super easy. It's a drop shipping service. So all you need to do is set things up. Customers are going to place an order on your store, and they're going to pay you retail price for these high ticket, high margin luxury products. Automatically, the order is fetched by Luxury Distribution's app. That's the whole benefit of using the app. It all automates everything, and then Luxury Distribution ships the product directly to your customer. You don't need to do anything other than make the sale and collect the profit. It's true luxury product drop shipping, and it's what a lot of people have been looking for. They're tired of drop shipping poor quality products or widgets or print on demand. They want amazing brands. They want high-end products, and luxury distribution is the absolute best solution to do exactly that. It's a dropship solution for high-end, premium, high-ticket fashion, and so many super, super happy customers because it's really a one-of-a-kind app. You see the link directly below this video for the App Store as well. Right inside the Shopify App Store, they have their own luxury brand fashion dropship app. It's going to give you access to everything, and I'll go inside this and show exactly how to kind of set everything up and how to navigate through here, and most importantly, how to add those amazing products into your store so you can literally build your own luxury brand. All you need to do, click the link directly below this video, press the install button. That's going to get you into the app, and you'll be able to follow along with me step by step. You're looking at the luxury distribution app dashboard here in my store, and you're going to see real-time information over here about the total number of products as well as your queue info in terms of what's going on over the next 24 hours, what products are going to be created and updated and deleted. You'll see all that right over here. Really what you're going to be focusing on is the catalog. I'll show you that in a second, and your orders section. So this is going to be orders that automatically come into luxury distribution, right? There's no copy and pasting. There's no, picking up the phone and calling luxury distribution. The app does everything automatically, and you'll be able to track everything. You see it's got the order number and the dropshipper order ID. It's going to have the actual, and these are your Shopify Store orders. You're going to have all of your actual kind of data here showing that it's fulfilled or successfully created. And again, orders get synced automatically. So this is a really kind of powerful part of the app that you're not even going to really notice because it just works automatically. So orders come in, it's got a product with luxury distribution drop shipping on it. It's going to be shown right here in this orders table. You've got your settings over here as well, a bunch of different things that you'll want to look through. For sure, your billing, you could always check your current active subscription and update anything you need there. We could do category mapping. We could also do profit margin settings. So this gives you the ability, especially if you're working with a lot of products at once, you can kind of go through an entire category and say, okay, for the men's handbag category, I'm going to set my profit margin to be 1.3. Right, so you're basically making 30% profit margin on top. Same with the shoulders, right? And you could set this and you say, well, maybe for the short trousers, I want to edit this and I want to go to, 1.5. And you could just save that. That's going to then map those products over there. This has to do with your pricing and your automated pricing, especially, like I said, if you have a lot of products in your store, you want to use these profit margin settings. They're one of many settings over here. We have attribute mapping and brand filter as well, synchronization settings, general settings, right? You've got it kind of all shown over here. Things like price rounding, how you want to round up. We have the currency, of course, and we have our store information. So you'll be able to control all your settings here for your entire shop and how it integrates or interacts, I should say, with luxury distribution. You have synchronization setting as well. This is going to be basically what comes over in the sync when we sync products from the catalog. But let me show you the good stuff here. Before I do that, they got great support, always accessible over here. Great email support with luxury distribution and online user guide as well with the help desk to get you going. But really it's as simple as going into the live catalog and kind of taking a look at what type of products you really want to focus on. And it's cool. You can take a look at the seller insights over here as well in terms of giving great information about what's working right now. For example, different products in different categories, you'll see work right now. You'll have access to tons and tons of amazing high quality products. If you look at some of these brand names over here, some of the biggest names in fashion, you see different categories like clothing, accessories, shoes, bags. Luxury distribution has bags, shoes, clothing, accessories, men's, women's, kids products, allowing you to dropship, again, some of the biggest names in here, and there's tons and tons of different brands over here, especially ones that you've heard of, are going to sell super easy on your store. You can do different searches for colors, brands, categories, and gender, and it all integrates directly with Shopify. It's the best part here. Direct integration, there's actually a bunch of different ways to integrate with luxury distribution, but we care most, of course, about that Shopify app. Really easy to use and super easy to connect, and I showed you that earlier. Really all you need to do is just basically connect the app, get your settings set up, and really everything else just happens automatically. A massive product catalog. I could literally go through page after page after page after page over here in my product catalog here. These are all luxury distribution products. Polo Ralph Lauren, it's a big brand, Vivier, Coperni. We have the names that you're looking for when it comes to being able to sell. And I'll show you this on the storefront here. Of course, when you add a product in, it's got everything. Product description, high quality imagery, season information, size and fit, everything ready to go. It's all drop shipped, but the main difference is it's not print on demand. It's not, cheap gadget widgets or stuff like that. It's high-end fashion. And now you're able to have it right inside your Shopify store. So that was luxury distribution, incredibly powerful. Turn your Shopify store into a high-end luxury brand. Couldn't be any easier. It's all dropship and so many great products, all curated in season, ready to be dropshipped in your Shopify store. If you have any questions about luxury distribution, don't hesitate. Leave a comment directly below this video. Otherwise, get this in your store right now. Get those products in there. You're going to love selling these high-ticket, high-margin products. I hope this helps you make a ton of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.